Good day, everyone!
We are glad to see you and we're glad to present our topic today, which is facts and beliefs.
Class, but first, allow us to introduce ourselves. First of all, I am Jim Rabundas and you can call me Sir Jim.
And I am Mary J. Barcelona. You can call me Teacher Joy. So today we are going to discuss about facts and beliefs. And in the picture presented, what do you think is the fact, or which do you think is the fact and which do you think is the beliefs? So is it the earth? Is it the earth is an irregular shaped ellipsoid, or either the earth is really flat? We will know that later.
So class, are you all excited? Yes, that's good.
So now we're going to discuss what is fact. So according here, the fact is something that is true and can be proven with scientific explanation. For example, so the Earth revolves in orbit around the Sun in 365 days, 6 hours, and 9 minutes. Why is it a fact? Because when you're going to search it on Google or any other website, there is a proof that the Sun revolves in 365 days, 6 hours, and 9 minutes. So that is a fact because it is proven and it is unchangeable. And the other one is Rodrigo Roa Duterte is the 16th President of the Republic of the Philippines, which is fact because we all know President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So other example would be that Manila is the capital city of the Philippines, which is fact also. So that's all for the what is fact. So let's now proceed to what is belief.
So class, we are done with the fact. And next is the belief. So first of all, what is belief? So belief is something that someone thinks is true, but it hasn't been proven. It's often based on personal experiences, culture, or faith. So for you to be able to know what is belief all about, I will give you an example. So here we go. So I have an example here. So first, I will give you an example about law of attraction. So what is law of attraction? So law of attraction, it is something that positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. So as human as we are, I have an example for that. For example, you think positive. So expect that the outcome of that work is also we have a positive outcome. And the next one is God exists. When we talk about God exists, it is something that we are talking about religion. So in religion, we have a different types of religion in the Philippines, right? So sometimes people, if you're going to say that if that belief, if a person is think or believe God, we can also call them as a Christian. And sometimes people might say that God is not a true, no? And I will give you an additional example. So first is, they would say that love is good, but sometimes love is hurtful, right? And then the second one is, you shouldn't lie. Sometimes people would say that don't lie, but sometimes people will gonna lie to you because they are just a human, right? We're not perfect, so it's just a belief. And the next one is you should be nice to people. Sometimes people are not kind; they're just something that they're act like they are going to give something people that is very you can say that is nice. Kind of act, but people would say there are people that is kind and there are people that is not. So the best example for that, I also give the example is beauty. The standard of beauty. Sometimes people is, if you are black, they would say you're beautiful, and if you're white, you're so beautiful. As you can see, it is sometimes called as changeable. It changed as the era of the world will gonna passing by. And for you to be able to know that a fact is unchangeable, well, the belief is unchangeable. Then the next one. So class, do you understand? Oh, that's good. So we will recall our topic for today.
We say about fact, a fact is something that is true and can be proven with scientific explanation. Well, the belief
Is something that someone thinks is true, but it hasn't been proven. It's often based on personal experiences, culture, or faith, or should I say, changeable. So that's it for today. And always remember, always keep questioning and seeking the truth. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and mabuhay.